Today, I have a question for you all. How does forest wildfire in New Brunswick affect ecosystems, wildfire communities, and the environment? In the heart of New Brunswick, our vast forests play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity and combating climate change through carbon capture. Yet, the persistent threats of forest fires puts these ecosystems at risk. Today, I introduce a groundbreaking initiative to protect our forests. My objective is to develop a state of the art early warning system using specialized drones and advanced AI technologies. My journey began with understanding the dynamics of forest fires in New Brunswick. Examining historical incidents reveals vulnerabilities, guiding us towards targeted measures for sustainable forest conservation. Lightning strikes, human activities, and drought periods have contributed to the loss of valuable ecosystems in our province. I'm addressing these vulnerabilities with a comprehensive strategy for alliance against future fire threats. Now let's talk technology. I recommend drones equipped with lightning and thermal sensors, a cutting-edge solution for early fire detection. These drones powered by AI analyze temperature variations and identify unusual heat patterns. Specifically for this science project, I developed a prototype drone simulating thermal and lightning sensors. The drone includes a special compartment containing foam. If the drone detects a rise in temperature or lightning, it releases foam to prevent a fire from occurring. Just like this. Wow! Implementing this technology offers numerous benefits, enhances early detection capabilities, and enables swift responses to potential fire threats. The integration of AI adds intelligence to the system, ensuring real-time data analysis and dynamic decision-making. In conclusion, this groundbreaking project revolutionizes forest fire prevention in New Brunswick. By understanding the science behind forest fires, addressing vulnerabilities, and leveraging advanced technology, I create a proactive and intelligent approach to safeguard our invaluable forests. Moreover, this initiative is not just about protecting the trees, it's about safeguarding the lives of our communities by swiftly detecting potential fire threats. These advanced drones contribute to the safety of human and animal lives, shielding them from the danger of fire and smoke. In addition, the implementation of this cutting edge system safeguards our infrastructure, whether it's homes, businesses, or critical facilities. Our technological innovation minimizes the potential impact on human lives, property, and essential infrastructure. Together, we are creating a comprehensive solution that not only preserves our natural ecosystems but also ensures the safety and well-being of the people and places we call home. Thank you for listening. Bye.